Okay, so we just got done reviewing games on the computer. Now we're going to review them on the device. So to get started, you just hit the menu button and choose Review Games. In here, I just have a bunch of bogus data. These are just a bunch of different games in here. We'll start with the top one. So when you start it, it's going to leave off at whatever the last position that you were in. If this is the last position that you were in, to get to the beginning, you'll have a rewind button, which will take you back to the beginning of the game. You have arrow keys so you can step forward. If you need to go to the back of the game, you can hit the fast forward button and it'll take you to the last move. There's also play controls down here, so if you hit play, it's going to go ahead and step through the game in a 1.5 second increment and just kind of go through the game. At the very top, we have some more buttons. One of them is to flip the board, so it'll allow you to flip the board back and forth. It'll still keep playing as we flip. There's also a time input button, so if there was move input time that was put into the game, it would be listed here. And then also there's an info button which has information about the game, who it was, the round, and all that information. So that's essentially the review game. You can, again, use the controls to move back and forth. You can scroll if you need to and go to a certain point in the game just by finger swiping back and forth. There's also the moves button, which will show all the moves that happen. And then you can see the time that it took to make all these moves. So again, this is just kind of giving you an overview of the review game. So we'll go ahead and stop the video here.